Okay, we're back with some whiteboard work. You should have your whiteboards out and you should have your dry erase marker and your eraser. Okay, so I'm going to open up my dry erase marker. And basically what we're going to talk about is adding 1,000, 10,000, or 100,000 more. So if I write down this, so I just want to give you a few examples today. So if I have 29,482, okay? If I want to add or subtract or have 1,000 less than this, I can do this mentally. What's 1,000 less than 29,482? Well, I would go to my thousands place and think, well, what's one less than that? In your head, if you said, oh, it's 8, well, you're right. 1,000 less than 29 is 8. So I would have 28,482, okay? Just like that. So if I then work backwards here and I say, well, one less than that, I put this whole thing in, you can see that it works out. 2 minus 0 is 2, 8 minus 0 is 8, 4 minus 0 is 4, 9 minus 1 is 8, and 2 minus nothing is 2. So that would be 1,000 less, okay? But I can do that in my head if I understand place values very well, okay? So another example. I'm going to use that 29,832. What if I wanted 1,000 more than this? I know that my digits only have 10 digits. I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 10 is 2 digits put together, the 1 and the 0. So if I wanted to do 1,000 more than this, I'm just going to say, well, 1,000 more. Here's my thousands place, and I just zoom in on that. Well, 1 more than 9 is 10. We know that. So this place has to turn into a 0, and I add a 1 over to this place here. So what's 1 more than 29? If in your head you said, well, that's 30, you're right. So my 1,000 more than 29,832 is 30,832. And if I look at that, it says, all right, well, if I work backwards here and say, well, let me check my work, and I put in my 1,000, let's do the math. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 0 is 3. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 1 is 10. Put down the 0, and then I would have to carry a 1, right? And 1 plus 2 is 3. See how it works out? Your brain is the most powerful computer in all of the land, and it always will be, okay? It always will be. We don't have USB ports or plugs that can go into our head and just download this information. The best way that you get information is listening, trying, practicing, doing over and over again, and trying to make sense of it by using your 5 senses. And I know you can do it, okay? So on the next slide over, we're going to be doing a few of these examples. And then if your teacher wants to do more, you can. But have fun and good luck.